Want to make some pancakes this morning. Alright, let's get started right now. My box. So I'm going to make some pancakes and I'm going to make some bacon. So, alright, now don't measure, just pour it in the bowl. That should be enough for 3 people. And it doesn't say add an egg, but I'm going to put an egg in there anyway. What are you doing, Zaya?
What are those?
Eggs.
Eggs.
Take these containers.
Look.
I see it.
I put it up there. But I want to take it off now.
So I got 1 egg in there. Can you get me a bottle of water?
Heck yeah.
Brown, look on the table in the dining room.
Which one?
Look on the table in the dining room.
Can I pour it?
Yeah, you can pour it.
Thank you. You need to?
Just bring me 1.
Okay.
That should be enough. Okay.
Got it.
Alright, cool. Thank you. Alright. I need you to pour it in here. Pour it in this bowl right here.
I can't open them.
Oh, okay. Don't pour all of it yet. Just in case I don't need all of it. Alright, go ahead. Watch your hand too. Go ahead, pour more. And we're going to mix.
Oh.
Go ahead, pour more.
But mix.
Keep pouring.
Mix.
Okay, my granddaughter, she poured the water into the bowl, which seems to be enough. So I'm mixing the batter up. How many pancakes you want? How many pancakes you want?
3.
You know you're not going to eat 3.
4.
Yeah, right.
I am going to use 4.
Alright. I'm going to now add some butter. I like a lot of butter. I guess this should be. Let me turn this down. Okay. And we're going to add our first pancake in. Look at that perfectly round pancake. Alright, time to flip. Ooh, can't get no better than that. Look at that. Alright, hopefully all of them will turn out that way. Oops. Throw the pan on the, knock the pan on the floor. Smells delicious. Looks delicious too. Look at that.
Oh!
Hey. Okay, our second pancake is going in. Okay. Another perfect pancake. Zayla, you ready to eat now? This is my granddaughter's food. This is what I got so far. And can you do me a favor and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel? That would be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much. Alright, got 2 more pancakes and then I'll be done. This is my last pancake. With the perfect right amount. And I'm about to go sit down to eat, watch me a show, and everybody have a good day and happy Friday.